Hi, welcome to Out About, our YouTube channel. Today we've got a nice little video to do on the new Brunner Polarys Imperator Campervan and motorhome air conditioner. Nice little unit. It's like a little portable, well, it is a portable air conditioner. This unit will gives about 7,000 BTUs, which is about 2,000 watts of cooling. Cool space is up to about 35 cubic meters. So it's actually quite a powerful one. Compared to the split air conditioners that you get for the caravans, this is actually probably slightly more powerful. So we're just going to talk you through it. So they do three versions. This is the one for the Ducato cab models, because they come with a grille that will actually fit out through your passenger window. But there's also a Sprinter version and a Ford Transit version. This unit has got a big duct on the back to exhaust the warm exhaust air. It's a fully refrigerant filled air conditioner with a proper compressor and condensing unit on the bottom. It does do proper cooling. So what happens is this little grill here, this will fit out through your window. So we just drop the window down. Slide it up into there. Then this window just slides up and fixes right underneath there. This is actually a really good fit. The ducting then fits onto this spigot. The ducting comes with the air conditioning, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just got a couple of lugs on here which locate onto the lugs up here. And then locks in position. Closes the door up. So it works off a 13 amp plug, so household sort of plug. So you do probably need to make sure that you are plugged into your electric hookup. I think the current draw on it is about 3.5 amps. So if you have got a really good solar panel system and battery system, then you may well be able to use this off grid, but you would have to check the technicalities. So it does come with a little remote control set of batteries as well. It's also got controls on the top here. So on and off button. So that's the on button. It's got a couple of modes. So we've got cooling, so we just set it into cooling, and you can adjust the temperature on there. It's got a fan setting there, which you can adjust on there as well. So there you can hear it starting up. Small time delay on it before the compressor actually kicks in. There we go. Yep, that's all starting to kick in now. So the warm exhaust air now is going out through the duct and then out through the window. So there's two areas on the back which are a bit difficult to see, that you fit a condensate pipe to allow the condensate water to come out of, because obviously with it being cooling, it's going to extract water from the warm air. So that just needs to be drained out. You probably just need a little container at the back to be able to catch that water. So now we can feel it starting to kick out the cold air. And like I say, this one, all of these are sort of designed to sit around your center console. I'm sure that probably with a bit of ingenuity, you could possibly fit it somewhere else in the van, but you would just need to make sure that that ducting is going and exhausting the air to the outside, because you don't want any recirculation of warm air. It's fitted with filters as well. So filters in round the evaporator system. So that is something that you would need to clean every now and again. And it's got directional vanes on the front here as well. So you can just direct the airflow slightly. There we go. That's a great little unit. It's possibly not the quietest of units, but then you've got to expect a little bit of noise. It's got a compressor running in there. It's got two lots of fan motors in there. You know, if there is a certain amount of noise, you can turn the fan unit down, which does quieten it down quite considerably. It's the sort of thing that you may or may not have running through the night. The only downside that I've seen, obviously, I've got my blinds closed. I wouldn't be able to close my blind on the passenger window if I wanted this running through the night or anything like that. Yeah, really, really good. So looking forward to having this in one of my own camper van, which is sat in at the moment. But yeah, I'm really quite impressed by this. If you'd like to have any further information, if you'd like to pop along to our website, which is outabout.uk. If you've liked our video, then give us a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.